Okay, welcome everybody. This is going to be the weekly update ending on July 3rd of 2020. It was a fairly short week. We didn't have any trading. The exchange was closed Thursday night and all day Friday. And of course, I don't trade on Wednesday nights. That's solo night. So nonetheless, still had a very good week with the stats back to where we would expect them, all in the 70 plus range. So it looks like these markets are finally coming back and turning back into their normal rhythm, which is absolutely awesome. Hitting the first trade again this week at 86%. By the way, I'm going to start doing something new here. If you haven't seen already, I'm going to start recording the first trade of the day so y'all can actually watch those first trades in action. Basically, what the first trade of the day is are all based off of one pattern. It's called the PAP pattern, which is also the same pattern that you can track if you want to try the trial chat room. We'll have a brief explanation on that and how you follow those setups. But nonetheless, it is the very first trade out of the gate. What does that mean? That means the very first trade that I make for the day is the trade that I track. There is no magic. It's whatever comes up either on the Aussie US, Euro US, Pound US, or the US Yen. And the first trades typically have been extremely profitable, and not only profitable, but have a high winning percentage as well. So nonetheless, be looking for those if you would like those, if you'd like to get the updates on those. You can also get them on Instagram. Just go to Pro Strategies, join us, and you'll get updated every day on those as well. So you can watch a short little video to watch those trades develop. All right. So besides that, once again, going to keep this video short. It was a very fairly decent week overall. Also, something we're doing new now is we've extended our hours for our CB traders. We trade in the morning. It's a dedicated hour from 7 to 8 Central or 8 to 9 Eastern. And all we do is we trade the CB method, okay? And so I'm going to start posting those results as well pretty soon as well, because that is my main focus when I am trading alone, and I can focus as I trade the CB. So that obviously is my favorite. But nonetheless, you've already seen what we can do with the PAP after 500 consecutive days of trading in live chat, and now I'm going to start focusing a lot more on the CB, my CB traders, and we're going to start posting those results as well pretty soon as well. But for right now, if you want to watch this first trade of the day, I do have a video for that, and we'll just keep track of that on a daily basis so you can see just how well that first trade out of the gate works. Nice to start the day with, 85, 86% winning trades. It just starts to build a little cushion just in case things get a little choppy. You can start building your cushion first thing out of the gate. I like to always hit my objective, and I say this to all my students, is to come in and try to hit your objective within the first 2 hours of the day. And many, many times I'll hit my objective within the first 30 minutes. Because of the accuracy of this first trade. I don't know why. Don't ask me why that is. That's just the way it works. I think mornings are always very good. Always have a high winning ratio in the morning anyway. But nonetheless, that first trade out of the gate seems to work out extremely well. So that's it for this week. We'll be back next week. Now that these markets are back to normal, I think we're just going to have another outstanding week. If you have any questions, you can always go to my website, binaryprostrategies.com. Shoot me an email. Also, if you like these videos, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe, and we'll keep you updated on any new videos that we have coming out. That's it. Everybody have a great week, and we'll see you at the next update.